Yeah, man. Slap Polaroid, man. Shout out to the street life shit, man. Because this is the street life, you know what I mean? I don't know what's going on out there, man. There's a lot of shit going on, you know what I mean? A lot of rappers doing the street life shit. Like, you know, like some niggas really like, be like, this nigga ain't shit on the rap shit and this nigga ain't shit. That's just a right to an opinion, but like, it's just all the hustle, man. To me, it ain't, I don't judge no nigga, you know what I mean? I came from the dirt, so whatever a nigga do, that's on him. Shit, what he eat don't make me shit, you know what I mean? So, for me, you know, anything a motherfucker doing, any rapper from the crib doing what he do, you know what I mean? I salute, you feel what I'm saying? You know what I mean? I ain't got no problem with nobody unless they got something I want. That's another story, you know what I mean? It ain't never personal, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, just a lot of niggas from the crib got that shit bad, man, you know what I mean? A lot of motherfuckers pass judgment, you know what I mean? Just cause you don't like it, it don't mean shit, you know what I mean? How much bullshit you hear on the radio that you don't like already, you know what I mean? But at the same time, the bullshit that you hearing that you don't like, them niggas is eating, you know what I mean? So it ain't about that to me, homie. You feel what I'm saying? And I know what life is. Everybody is poverty, you know what I mean? Wherever you got where motherfuckers ain't rich, you got trouble. So I ain't no better than the next motherfucker. The next motherfucker ain't no better than me. You know what I mean? It just is what it is. We all fucked up just trying to find a better way. You feel what I'm saying? So I don't judge no nigga, you know what I mean? I salute to any nigga that's trying to make a better way for him and his family, you know what I mean? Because I am for sure. It's just, you know, right now, it's a blessing for me to be in the situation that I'm in, considering the umbrella that I came from up under, which is the Goon Squad shit, my nigga Bump J, you know what I mean? And for me even saying that, like, I wouldn't even be in this situation if it wasn't for him, you know what I mean? I wasn't rapping, but I knew how to rap, you know what I mean? But he took the time to be like, man, come on, we can do that. And this thing about the shit is the nigga younger than me, you know what I mean? So, like, niggas always argue about who the best, you a bump, you a bump. I don't get on them horses like that. I pay homage to the man. You feel what I'm saying? I don't say I'm better than him. I would never judge it like that because I wouldn't be even doing no shit like that if it wasn't for him. So, without a doubt, a contradiction. One thing for sure, two things for certain. If it wouldn't be for him, I wouldn't even be doing this shit. So I always salute my nigga, you know what I mean? But other than that, you know, it is what it is, you feel me? It's just, you know, motherfuckers just gotta politic together, you know what I mean? You gotta stop. Like, niggas got this thing with competing with each other in Chicago, you know what I mean? When all the time, niggas in Chicago ain't did shit. I ain't even did shit, you feel me? I ain't got no deal. I ain't made no money off no rapping shit, you feel what I'm saying? So you'll be a stupid motherfucker to look at me and judge yourself against me, and I'm not the game. The game is big. You gotta look at them niggas like Wayne. Niggas just really doing something. You gotta, if you looking for competition, you gotta compete against niggas that's already in the game. These niggas is competing against each other, and ain't nobody did shit. You know what I mean? So niggas just gotta learn, man, and just know what it is. You know what I mean? So, you know, I'm always open to fuck with whoever, you know what I mean? Like, a lot of times, to keep it all the way real, so much shit on my plate as far as this nigga want me to do his beat, and this nigga want me to rap on his track, and then this nigga want me to do this. So, by me knowing how this shit go and how niggas work with emotions, I don't tell no nigga no. But niggas put time on shit. I need you to do my shit now. Ooh, man, motherfucker can't finish all that shit in a hurry. You know what I mean? Motherfucker gotta wait. If you need me to do it, I'm gonna get around to it. But, you know, motherfucker gotta wait till a motherfucker can get to it. You feel what I'm saying? The best thing about life is understanding. You know what I mean? You gotta understand what's going on, and then you can make moves according to how you understand the situation. You feel what I'm saying? It ain't never like this nigga just saying fuck me and he ain't gonna do it. Nah, nah, nigga, I just can't do it at your pace and your time. I got my own life, you know what I mean? You know, it's just, my life don't revolve around rapping because this shit ain't paying for nothing right now. But you gotta know I'm making it happen, you know what I mean? Whatever, take whatever that out of that you wanna know, but shit, my eyes ain't starving for shit.